Welcome students. In this topic, we will learn about pipe elbow joint on MS pipe of 50 mm outer dia with 3 mm wall thickness in downhand position using Oxy-Acetylene Welding process.
Objectives. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to cut and prepare the pipe as per the development drawing. Clean the oxides and burrs from the welding surfaces. Set the pipes to form a 90-degree pipe elbow joint and tack weld. Visual inspect for weld defects. Let's see the tools required for the welding process. Steel rule, center punch, ball peen hammer, angle grinder, half round file, bench vise, tri-square, chipping hammer, steel wire brush, safety clothing, gloves, PPE kit, nozzle number 7, CCMS filler rod 3 mm, OAW setup, cylinder key, tip cleaner, spark lighter, gas welding goggles. Let's see pre-welding process for pipe elbow joint. Follow necessary safety precautions. Draw the development drawing with the dimension on the circumference of the circle and make it into 12 segments. Draw the elbow profile with the intersection points of horizontal and vertical projection lines. Cut the profile sheet and paste it on the end of 2 pipes. Punch mark along the profile line. Cut along the profile line using OAW gas welding and angle grinder. Deburr the cutting edges and file along the profile curve. Match the 2 pipes at an angle of 90 degrees and file the pipes for any irregularity. Clean the surface of the pipe of any oxide and other contaminants. Set and align the pipe to an angle of 90 degrees. Select nozzle number 7 and 3 mm dia CCMS filler rod. Pressure as per specifications for both gases. Tack weld the joints at 4 places with 1.6 mm root gap. Check the 90-degree angle. Now let's see the welding process of pipe elbow on MS pipe, 50 mm outer dia and 3 mm wall thickness in downhand position by Oxy-Acetylene Welding process, OAW. Keep the tack welded MS pipe on the welding table. Use vertical up welding technique. Weld the joints by using the blowpipe and 3 mm CCMS rod. The tacked pipe joint, which is in the form of an ellipse, has to be welded in 4 segments. The order of the sequence of welding is 2 to 6, segment 1, 0 to 10, segment 3, 10 to 6, segment 2, 2 to 0, segment 4. This order of welding sequence will help to control distortion such that the welding is partially done vertically upwards and partially in downhand position. Ensure maintaining the keyhole and ending the weld of each segment properly to get the root penetration. Avoid excessive penetration. Inspect weld for any surface defects. Now let's briefly discuss the visual inspection of pipe elbow of MS pipe 50 mm outer dia and 3 mm wall thickness in downhand position by OAW process. Check for width and height of the weld bead in a uniform pattern, even ripples, free of voids and high spots. Face of weld for slightly convex. Edges of weld beads for good fusion, no overlap and no undercut. Check the penetration and fusion to the surface of the pipe. Let us see the defects now. Blowhole. Undercut. Uneven ripples. Improper fusion. Recap.
In this topic, we have learned to cut and prepare the pipe as per the development drawing, clean the oxides and burrs from the welding surfaces, set the pipes to form a 90-degree pipe elbow joint and tack weld, welding using OAW process, visual inspect for weld defects. Thank you, students, and let us meet in the next session. Bye!